Save time, money, and product for your mobile truck wash by eliminating stoppages between chemicals. With the advanced trigger activated control from Midwest Cleaning Solutions, you can now automate your two-step process. Here's how. Simply release the trigger, then squeeze again. The ATAC system automatically switches to the next function of the wash, turning your existing pressure washer into an efficient two-step system. Then release and squeeze again, and you're on to the next function. The ATAC system works with most hot and cold water pressure washers. It sets up in minutes with no bulky hoses or touchy remotes needed. And it allows for multiple chemical configurations, so you can personalize it for any cleaning job. Learn how you can increase your efficiency with the ATAC system from Midwest Cleaning Solutions. Call 1-800-288-0741 or email sales@mwcleaningsolutions.com.